In Excel, cell references are used to refer to specific cells or ranges within a worksheet. The two types of cell references commonly used in Excel are relative cell references and absolute cell references. Here's the difference between them. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. 1. Relative cell references. When you use a relative cell reference in a formula, Excel adjusts the reference based on the relative position of the formula and the cell being referenced. In other words, the formula changes when the formula is copied or moved to another cell. For example, if you have a formula equals C2 plus D2 in cell E2 and you copy it to cell E3, the formula in E2 will automatically adjust to equals C3 plus D3. The references have shifted down by one row because the formula was copied down. Absolute cell references. An absolute cell reference, on the other hand, remains constant regardless of where the formula is copied or moved. It is denoted by adding a $sign before the column letter and/or row number. For example, if you have a formula equals C4 plus D4 in cell E4 and you copy it to cell E5, the formula in E5 will still be equals C4 plus D4. The references to cell C4 and D4 remain fixed, and they do not change when the formula is copied or moved. By using relative and absolute cell references effectively, you can create dynamic formulas that can be easily copied or moved across different cells, while ensuring that certain references remain fixed as needed. Thanks for watching.